Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you are enjoying my content and finding it valuable. Today I have come up with something exciting, brand new for you. In this session, I am going to teach you how to create a fully functional gaming website where you can integrate your own reward system. This feature will enable users to earn rewards directly through your platform, making it more engaging and beneficial for them. First, we'll go over the key features and working principles of the website to understand its structure and functionalities. Once you are familiar with the basics, you'll dive straight into the step-by-step tutorial to help you bring your vision to life. Okay, so get ready to learn and create something amazing. Let's get started. Okay, so this is our website and you will see the design and layout of our website, and we will completely build this website from the scratch. Okay, now you will see here, let me show you the post. Okay, so these are the featured game section where I have implemented a slider. Okay, so this is the custom slider designed using the elementor, and here you will see some points each game have assigned. Okay, like this game have 30, this game 100, this have 50, and this have 30, 40. Okay, so let me show you a preview of this gameplay. So let's open this game which has 30 points. Okay, and this is the game page, and on the right hand side you will see a reward section where you will see the duration and points. So basically this is the part of the reward system. So here is the 60 seconds, which means that when we finish this game or we spend the 1 minute duration on this game, we will get 30 points. Okay, and these 30 points will be added into our wallet. I will show it later. When you scroll below, you will see some game details, and here are the game details. And here is the one thing I have done, that if you are not registered on this website, then you can't play the game. Okay, so for that you have to first register, log in your account. So let's log in this account. So this is the page designed using the ultimate member. Okay, let's log in into inside this website. Click on login. Okay, so I have this 100 points. Now let's open the game. So let's open any game. Let's open this. Okay, so we have to spend duration 300 seconds. Okay, so let's find something, the game which has the less duration of time. This is 20. Okay, 30. Okay, we got this. Within 60 seconds we have to wait. We have to wait for the countdown timer to end, and we'll get these 30 points in our wallet. Okay, after signing in, you will see here play now game, and this you can see the screenshot of the game here. Okay, now let's play this game. So this kind of screen will be open. Okay, and here you will see the timer has started. As soon as it's end, we will receive this 30 points in our wallet. Either you play or just spend or just stay here. Okay, so let's play the game. Okay, we got crash. "16 seconds are remaining." "8 seconds, 6 seconds are remaining." Okay, that's it. So you have earned 30 points. Now you can go back and let's check our wallet, and you will see here our wallet is updated and added 30 points. Okay, it becomes 30. Now let me show you how the user can earn through these reward points. So go to this wallet. Okay, scroll below and you will see here the reward progress bar. This indicates the total points we have, and this is the threshold points we have to achieve. Okay, and here I have showing some earnings like $8. So the system is like that. Reward progress will be automatically reset after reaching the threshold. As soon as we complete this threshold, it will reset, and earnings will be added as a $5. So here I wrote the 500 points. You can change 1000 points here and also here. Okay, so after every 1000 points you will get $5 as a earning, as a real money in our balance. Okay, and when we have the enough balance, we can withdraw from here. So click on the withdraw, a pop-up will appear. So here you have to type the email. So here you have to type the amount, which is $5. I kept $5 as the minimum, and you can set the withdrawal method. Okay, and then enter your PayPal ID. So this is the elementor normal form. Okay, now close this. So basically this is the main feature of our. So in this way a user earn the money by playing the games. Okay, as soon as they gather the points, they will earn as much as money. Okay, the best thing of this website that I have designed and developed this logic, okay, and implemented as a plugin. So you can easily activate the plugin. Just activate, paste the shortcuts, and everything will be start to work. Okay, so I hope you understand the working. Now let me show you some pages on this website. So this is the home, this is the game library, okay, where you will see the games under many categories. Okay, you can switch or filter from here. The next is a profile, and here you will see the profile picture, the welcome message. Okay, and this is the user profile where you can edit, you can upload the profile picture, and you can add the social links. And this is also the customized plugin which is developed by me. Okay, we have to just put the shortcuts and everything will work. Okay, here you will see the wallet. Recently I just discussed about it, the payment history. Currently I haven't set any logic and developed a plugin for this page, so in future I will definitely create the plugin for it. Okay, and I will inform in my website the blog section and this logout button. Now here is the one thing. Let's go to the home page. We have the top earners list. Okay, now these three users, or you can see the profiles, are registered on this website. Either you are registered or you are surfing this website without registering or login, still you can see these users. Okay, so I have set up this logic in a way that the user that has the highest points, like 130, he will always be on the top of the list, and the user that has the lower point than the first will be listed as a second in the list. Okay, and according to logic will be applicable for all the users. Okay, so this is also the customized plugin which is designed and developed by me. We have to just paste the shortcut, we set the number of users that you have to show over here. So I have recently registered the three profiles. Okay, these all are mine. If the users will log in or register into the website, you can increase the number of lists over here. Okay, and this is this browsing section, which you can switch the games according to category. This is completely designed using the Elementor. Okay, this is the section for the racing games, some reward and point system section showing some data. This is the preview or review, sorry, and this is the subscribe form and some frequently asked questions. You can also see this footer area where I have shown privacy policy disclaimer, about game. Okay, in this way. I've also created the page for the support. Okay, so I haven't put those page listed in this menu, so I will make it so I will do that later. Okay, so this is our website and it's responsive actually. Let's see. Okay, you can see that this is the mobile menu where I have created this sidebar. Okay, and when you scroll from top to bottom, it's everything is responsive. Okay, so I hope you understand the game and the logic behind this game. Okay, so you understand the features and functionalities of this website and the logic. So now we'll move straight toward the dashboard of the WordPress and we'll start creating the website. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so I will just freshly install the WordPress on the server. Now let's set up our WordPress dashboard. Okay, now let's set up the plugins and themes. So go to appearance. I will install the theme first. Click on add new and search for Ocean WP. So, and here is the theme. Click on install. Now let's activate this theme. So our theme is activated. Now go to plugins. Let's add some basic plugins. So the first is Elementor. Install it. Next is an I will upload, which is the Pro Elements. Click on install. Now go to plugin installer. We have to add one more plugin, which is Ultimate Member. Click on install. Okay, we almost install the basic plugin required for this website. Okay, now the core plugins which will handle the game logics and etc. So I will install them later once we start the creating the pages. Okay, so that time you will understand how to install and activate. Okay, and also I will tell you also I will explain you how you can modify those themes. Okay, how you can modify those plugins. So let's go to the install plugins and we'll install these plugins, activate these plugins. Okay, select Elementor, Pro Elements and Ultimate Member. Click on activate. First of all, you have to do one thing here. Just deactivate this soft WP plugin which comes with the installation of the WordPress. Okay, click on delete this plugin. This plugin always creates an issue inside the WordPress. Okay, that's it. Now we will set up our pages. Okay, first let's create the pages. We'll add the home page. We will add all the pages. Okay, this is the home page. I will change its template to full width. Click on publish. Okay, the next page we have game library, and also we have a blog page. Okay, next we will create our menu. So go to appearance, click on menus. We'll create the first menu, which is the main menu, and we'll add some pages like home, game library, profile, wallet, blog. Okay, I will put this blog at the end, profile and wallet. Okay, that's it. Click on save. Now let's set up our page, which is home page. So go to customize, let's set the home page as our custom page, okay, static page, which is home page. Now go back, and also inside the header here is the top bar, just disable this top bar. Also we have to disable this title, so it comes under the pages. In this page title, just disable it, okay, and click on publish. Also we have to set the colors for the background, okay, so go to colors, not the colors, okay, here the side background which is white. Copy the color and paste here, okay. Now finally click on publish. We almost done our changes. Now we will start creating the header. Basically don't have the header, okay. If you see the original website, only this section, okay, the social icons, the search button, and this reward placement, and this login and register button, okay, and this whole section is on the page. So let's design our header like this. So I will use the templates, which is the theme builder. This is the header. Close it. Now let's change the background color. Select these settings, go to style. Here will be the background tag, okay. Paste your hex code and add color as a global color, which is PG color, okay. That's it. Now click on the plus icon and select the container. This will be the first container. Again click on the second container, okay. Select this main container and keep it as a box and change it to %, and here change it to 90 or 95, okay. That's it. So we have to create the 4 sections, first for social, second for the search, and for the third we have to show the reward points in this box, and the final we have to show the login and register options, okay. So select this container and make it row horizontal. So I will create the 4 columns, first, second and 4, okay. In the first we have the logo, so I will upload the logo. Search for logo. It's better to update logo from the appearance in the customize option. Here is the logo inside the header, okay. Here is the logo. This is our logo. Skip cropping. That's it. Click on publish. Publish this as well. Add condition to enter a site and refresh the page. Now search for logo. Sorry, here we don't have to add logo. Here we have social icons. So social icons, and here Instagram. Now go to style, give the spacings in between. Also click on custom color, so set the primary color. Click on the plus icon to create it global, or give it a name as a. Reduce the size, select this container and change align items to center. Okay, also we have this border bottom, so let's disable it. Go to customize, go to header, go to header, general, and here you will see the border bottom enabled, so click to disable it and click on publish. Okay, so it will be not visible over here. Okay, click it to 97 something. Okay, shape this to the left. Now on the second we have to show the search bar, so search for the search form, and here click on enable from the icon library. Okay, and enter key, I will keep only the enter key. Now go to style, copy the color for the background, I will set this color as a B. Keep the border radius to 100 and border type will be none. Change the icon size, and also change the gap between text and icon. Let's set the custom padding 10, bottom also 10, and left also 10, or make it 20. Okay, actually we have to extend the container for this search form, so I will adjust here. Here we have to show the reward point box. Okay, so let's show that. First up we will put every front end elements over here, and then we will make them functional. Okay, by activating just simply plugins. So search for icon box, remove this content, we don't need this content anymore over here. Go to style and make icon position to left, also icon spacing like this. Reduce the size, change the icon color, which is something yellow. Okay, and also change the size. Here vertical I want to center. Okay, now let's change the icon. So search for trophy, and here let's say I will write 50. And go to content, set color to white. I will make it this color as global, and change the typography. So typography will be Jersey 10. So search for the font family, which is Jersey 10. I will change px to rem 1 point, or you can say 4 or 3.5. Okay, give the icon spacing properly. So basically we have to add a container inside this container. Okay, and this just copy it and paste inside here, and just delete this. Now select the inner container and reduce this size and shift this to right hand side. Okay, so select this container. I will shift this to, okay, I will align the inner elements center, vertical center and horizontal center. Okay, select this, go to style, border radius to 10, give a border to solid 2, and give it color to main color. Okay, so here is the border color. Now copy your main color and paste. I will make it as a global color, which is B. Okay, so select this container and reduce, make it the padding to 0. Okay, so our box is ready. Now select this container and reduce its width. As we don't need this container to be long, okay, we have to make some space for this search form. That's it. Also okay, now it's looking good. Now on the on this left right corner, on the last column, we have to set the text, which is welcome. So okay, so before that, okay, let's search for heading and right here welcome. Typography and change the size to rem, which will be 3, and change to medium, and also give some letter spacing so that the text will be visible clear. The font is it's tough to let's change the color of the text, which is white, and shift this to the right hand side. And I will also remove the extra space from this. Okay, increase it. That's it. Select this, go to advanced, remove the padding from it. Okay, now it looks perfect. Click on publish and refresh it. So our header for the desktop is ready. Now let's move on to its responsiveness. We will adjust the header for the tablet and also for the mobile. Okay. First let's open our website. Okay. Now just switch to tablet or the portrait. So here we have to show the let me show you. So we have the logo, the search bar, and this menu. Okay, so for the logo, type logo. Okay, and here go to advanced and responsiveness, hide on mobile as well as in next tablet. Okay, from here we have to show only one menu icon. So search for the icon. Change the icon. I will select this. Go to style, change the color to white. Reduce some size. Also margin from the bottom. Okay. And I will disappear this from the tablet. And this will come from the tablet. Okay, also you can set it to also we have to disable this from the mobile. Let's adjust it. Okay, you can remove the padding from each column. Select this and run this to left, or I will simply remove the margin from left. Okay, now it looks perfect. Okay, sorry, I forgot to disable this from the desktop. Go to advanced and responsiveness. This also remove disable from the desktop. Okay, that's it. Now go to enter into the mobile mode, and here you can see we have to remove this search form. So go to advanced, responsiveness, hide on mobile, and select this container. Go to layout, make sure it is width is in percentage. Okay, now reduce the width. Okay, similarly reduce the width of this container, make it percentage. Okay, now let's check. Let's increase more. I will increase more so that it will fit within this area. Okay, that's great. So our responsive header is ready. After that, click on publish. So we have to create this type of menu. Okay, so first of all we will set all the static parts like this text, this box, some pages of the website, okay, like this, and we will make it functional. So let's do that. To create the side menu for the mobile, I will use the off canvas menu, which is provided by the Elementor. Okay, so to activate or to use that off canvas menu, we have to active some settings inside the Elementor. Go to Elementor, go to settings. We have to enable the flexbox container features. Okay, so also make the nested elements active. Okay, that's it. Click on save changes. Now refresh it. Search for off canvas. So we got off canvas menu. So you can put this menu anywhere inside the header. So I will put here. It will open its interface where we have to edit the whole menu. Okay, so I will shift this to tablet, as we have to create for the two interfaces, for the mobile and the tablet. Okay, now here just select the to height. Okay, keep it 90%, or we can set it to 100 viewport height. Okay, let's add the background color. Before that we have to create the top section for this, but before that let's add the color to this container. I will use BG color and remove the padding. Add a container. Okay, so here we have to add the color in the background. Go to background, color, and here we have the color. Okay, so in the first add a heading. So type here the welcome. Okay, so here I am going to add the functionality of the ultimate member to log in or register the user. Okay, so we haven't configured the ultimate member yet, so I will first make some static things and design. We will design this front end and we'll move on to implement the functionalities. Okay, so search for keep it w1, change its font, which is jersey 10. Okay, Give padding from left to right, or set it to 30. Okay, so I will publish it, because we have to make this editing mode off for now, because we have to copy this box and we'll paste here. Okay, copy it, select this, click double and paste here. Let's change the border color to white. By default we have set it. Also reduce the width. Okay, and just below it we have to show the username. I will add a heading. So here I will write a name. This is for to show the username. Okay, change the color to white. Okay, that's it. Okay, in the in this main container we have to add some links. So search for the menu. Here is the WordPress menu, just drag and drop just below it. Okay, and from the breakpoint we have to keep it none, and layout to vertical. Select this main container. Okay, let it be. Change this color to white. Also go to typography, change it to rem. You can set it to 1.6 or 8. Make it little bit thick. Okay, and again go to content, and here we have to set pointer to background. And initial will be fed. Go to style, click on it, and here the pointer color will be main color. Okay, I think the text size is bigger, so let's reduce the size. Okay, nice. Now go to settings, here header settings. Go to style. Here you will see the width. Okay, make it a viewport width, and you can set it to like this. Okay, just below we have to show some privacy links. Here we have to add a title. My account, and this is other links. Okay, change menu from here. Okay, that's it. Just below we have to add some social icons, so I will go to desktop. For now I will just disable this editing, copy the social icons, enable it and paste below. Let's change the margin from the left, also from the bottom. That's it. Okay, so our off canvas menu is ready. Go to mobile, select it, if you are not able to edit in the viewport width and the percentage, then may change it to px and increase the width. Okay, so you can make it full width, or you can just open or keep this partially open. Okay, here change to left, select this and you can adjust the width. Okay, that's it. Now just click on the settings and you will see the animations. So I will use the slide from the left. Okay, so this is for the enter animation, and default will be slide out left. Okay, and you can see the other settings as well, like prevent closing on overlay, on escape, okay, disable, etc. So you can keep it as it is, or you can just make you can enable these settings. Okay, now let's publish it and we'll check its preview in the responsive mode. Click on inspect. Okay, now click on this. Okay, right now we just forget to add an action on this menu icon. Okay, so let's add it. Select layout, just disable this for now. Go to desktop and not desktop, inside your tablet, select this menu. Under this link, click on dynamic tags and you will see here op canvas menu, and search here for the menu. Okay, so here you will see the list of the menu that you have created. So select the op canvas one. Okay, and action will be open op canvas. Now click on publish and let's take the preview. Refresh it. Okay, our menu is working fine. Alright, we have finished our header. Okay, we made responsive as well. Now we'll create the user registration pages like login, logout, and register page. Okay, so I will not waste time by designing these pages. Okay, already I have done a lots of tutorial showing how to create the pages using the ultimate member. Also you can edit those pages according to your need. Okay, so I will simply upload the template, okay, available, so that we can save that much of time. Let me show you that those pages. I will open this in incognito mode. And I will provide every code within the file of this website. You can download from my website. Okay, so here this is the login page. Okay, so everything is editable, and here is the sign up page. This is the signing page. Also forgot password page. Okay, so I will simply upload this template in our theme. Okay, so I have added this register page and this login page. Okay, and you have to do one thing. This is an additional CSS. Okay, I have completely modified the ultimate member plugin according to the design. Okay, so you simply copy this and paste here. Okay, so you will get everything from the source code of this WP Wordpress files. Okay, so don't worry about that. Now here is the register page and here is the login page. So some styles are missing here. You will see okay, we'll fix it. Okay, just leave it, it will be fixed automatically. Now I'm going to make it publish. I will show you the live preview of our pages. Okay, then we will implement these pages on our required places. Okay, so here we have the login page. So I will simply copy it. I will open this in the incognito because I already logged in inside. Okay, so here we have to do one thing. We have to remove this register page from the front end. Okay, so go to the ultimate member. Here you will see settings. Go to forms. Here the register pages. Open this, edit, and here click the form, customize into yes. Okay, here select show inside text field, and primary will be yes, and that's it for. And also you can remove here from edit the username. We have to always show this text inside the placeholder. Okay, so everyone know about this process, so that's why I was thinking about to leave this portion. Okay, so click on update. In the same way we have to do with the login form. First customize this template form, show inside text field, here the login, this. Okay, and also cut and paste inside it, and this is also cut and paste inside the placeholder. Okay, that's it, we have done our changes. Now let's take the preview. Okay, so it's working fine. Now let's connect these pages to our required places. So first we have, let me open the original website. First we have to connect this here. Okay, so we have to create a menu. So go to appearance, click on menus and create a menu. here will be login menu. Okay, first will be the custom link, which is welcome. So under this we have to show these pages: login, register and logout. And we have to set some logic. So this login will appear only when logout users. Okay, and this register option will appear only when the logout users. Okay, only this logout will be available for the login users. Okay, that's it. Click on save. Now we'll change the header. This I will delete it. Now search for menu. And change here from the okay, click on publish and refresh the page. Okay, select the menu, which is login menu. So we have this drop down menu. Make it white. Also change text to jersey. Change its pix to rem and will be 3, or you can set to 2.8 something. Give a letter spacing. Okay, go to content and here we have pointer, so I will keep it none. And go to style, under hover, text color to main. Okay, now go to drop down, change the border radius to 10 and change the hover effect. Okay, background color I will keep it the main color. Okay, that's it. Click on publish. Let's check the responsiveness. So go to tablet, here inside the responsive, hide on mobile and the tablet. Okay, click on publish. Let's take the preview. Okay, that's great. Okay, so we have just implemented the user registration. Okay, similarly you have to make it inside the mobile menu. Okay, so here inside this welcome text we have to replace that welcome menu. Okay, so I will disable for now. Copy this and paste here. Delete this. And here I will show the username. Okay, first change the text style. Okay, and here show the user name. So I will simply go to the dynamic tags, from there select user info and change the username. Okay, so the username will display here. Make it none. Okay, so go to advanced and uncheck this from the tablet and portrait. Okay, that's great. Click on publish. Okay, so we just finished our header part and user registration. Now we'll move to the next part, which is our home page. We will implement this type of hero section. Okay, on the left hand side we will have this menu, in the mid this image, some text, and on the right hand side we will implement these users. Okay, I will along with I will show you the plugin required for this to show the users like this. Okay, so let's do that. Go to pages and we have to edit our home page. Click on edit with elementor. Add a container. Okay, keep it boxed, make it percentage, and here will be 95, width will be 95. Okay, now divide this in 3 columns. For that we have to just make a direction to row horizontal and duplicate it. Only the middle section is bigger in size and these two are smaller. So in the first I will set it to 34 now. Here also 30. Okay, we will adjust accordingly if we lack the spaces with the menu. Okay, so we have to just check if the menu will be fit here or not. Okay, so simply I will copy the menu from the header. Copy it. First we have logo at the top. Then we will add a padding like 15. Okay, again we have to set the background color. Okay, so we set our menu in the vertical form. Now it's looking perfect. And here go to style. Here I will use the pointer as a frame. Go to style and go to hover. Pointer will be instead pointer, select the background. Okay, go to style and in hover. So I will set the pointer color to like this. Okay, and active color to same. Reduce the margin from top. So in the mid we have to add the background image to this container. So here I will use the slideshow select these two images and create the gallery. Okay, so here lazy and canvas effect enabled. Okay, and I will add a background overlay gradient. Make it dark, and here I will use BG color. Opacity, reduce its opacity, and also just increase its opacity. Okay, so it will look like this. So this time I am giving different effect over here. Our original website have different. Okay, so let's try this. Now we have heading. I will copy it, this content, search for heading, shift this text to bottom, paste the text, select to H1, go to style and change font to Jersey 10. Change color to white. We can add the padding. Also set the border radius to 10. Okay, to this container. Okay, just below we have some text. Copy this text, add the heading again, go to style, change color to white, so text, reduce the margin from top, okay, and finally we have a button and this play icon. Search for button. We have the icon in line with this button, so we need a container. Set the container direction to right or horizontal. Let's design this button. Border radius 200, background color to this, go to content, style, under this hover, so hover animation will be bounce. Now select this. Before that let's add the icon. Search for play. select this container, align items to center, remove the extra margin from the bottom, change color to white. Okay, now select this container and remove the padding. Also you can set the margin from bottom. Okay, on this right hand side I will simply copy it, duplicate it and shift this to the right hand side. Search for heading and write top earners. Okay, I will activate one plugin, okay, to show the users. Currently we have only one user and obviously don't have any points, so it will not show anything here. Okay, so let me show you. Let's add that plugin. First let's increase the height of this container. So here minimum height we will set to VH and set its minimum height. Okay, okay, that looks nice. Now let's install the plugin to show these top earners list. Okay, so I will add a new plugin. So if you don't want to add from here, you can add directly from the backend, which is from your cPanel file manager. Okay, so here are the list of the plugins. Okay, I will show you one by one which plugin is created for the particular task. Okay, so here we have to show the user profile display. Okay, so here is the user profile display. Okay, click on install and activate the plugin. Okay, no problem. Here you will see user profile display. Okay, I will activate it. Now you can see our plugin is activated. Currently I haven't set any name for this, so you will see that here the by default which is your name. Okay, so we will paste the shortcut here. Okay, okay, so we have to add a shortcut. So add a shortcut and here is the shortcut. This is my original website. Okay, I will copy the shortcut from here and will show you the magic. Okay, okay, so right now it's showing no users found. This because and I don't have the real points actually generated. Okay, so when we will have the points, we will earn some points using by doing that task. Okay, so it will automatically show here. Okay, that's because it's showing no users found. Okay, so for now I am going to publish it. Okay, once we added the functionality to the game reward, okay, we will install the game reward system using the plugin. That time we will play some games and we will gather the points, then it will show our user. Okay, So if you let test it on the incognito mode, okay, no users found. So we have to set the profile images, okay, and more things are yet to define, so we'll do that later. So this was the top ones. Now we will have to implement some posts. Okay, first I will add 20 to 25 posts in this website. Okay, and then I will show you how to create the custom post template wait, we will design this kind of custom post template, okay, where we have to show the duration, the points, okay, and these all things are connected by SEO. Okay, so I will first add this post and we'll start design this home page. Okay, so before that let's finish our footer area. Okay, go to templates, here select the footer. So our footer have 4 columns. Add the container, set to percentage, and here we have to set the 95%, and select this container, set direction to horizontal, and I will create 4 columns. The first we have the about us. I will copy this heading, will reduce the size, about us. First let's set the viewport height, and we set the background. Position center, repeat, no repeat. Display size will be cover. Okay, and I will add the background overlay so that our text will be clearly visible. Okay, I will simply add the color. Okay, next add the text, about us text. I will copy from here, also will reduce the line height. This is looking so small, let's increase the size of this text. Okay, it should be 95%. The next we have some other links, that's it. Other links we have policy which is policy links. Okay, so I will create those I will create that menu first. So simply I will give the custom links. Okay, here policy links, privacy policy disclaimer TNC. Okay, we already have the policy. Let's select it. Okay, so we already have this menu. I will copy from here. We'll change the text size and color. Here simply will be Roboto. Okay, you can change the hover color from here. If you don't want to keep that black color, the next we have categories. So currently we don't have the categories. Change menu to here. We don't have the category menu. Okay, I will add those categories one by one. I will refresh it once. Okay, so let's add the categories. The categories will be real, so that we have to add the post letter. So let's add them. And okay, go to menu, refresh it, and create a menu which will be for the category. I will add the categories from here, view all, and select all except the uncategories. Click on save menu and refresh this page. I will select the menu. Also there is a lot word spacing in between the words, so let's reduce it first, which is the letter spacing. From here select the category menu. Okay, in the last we have my account. In a my account we have to show blog, game library, profile and wallet. So these pages are already created, so we will create the menu for this as well. Okay, create menu, and here will be my account. So we have blog, I will add profile, wallet and game library. Okay, I will publish it and will refresh. Okay, so here select the menu which is my account. And finally at the bottom we have to add okay. Now our footer is also ready. If you want to make it responsive, just save the everything from here. Keep it none, and here is also okay. And from the mobile it will be automatically set one after the other, so there is no need to set anything inside the mobile. Yes, I think it is set to hide from the mobile. Okay, that's it. Still, if you want to just hide the some sections like these other links, I will remove this, and also this my account. I will keep the my account. Okay. So our footer is ready. Now let's take the preview. Okay. So here is our footer. Now I will put all the posts okay one by one, and then we'll move to designing our home page. Okay, exactly I done here. So let's get started. So before adding the post, I will show you how to connect the ACF, how to create the post template, and how and which fields and fields we have to create in the post. Okay, so that will be for the first post. So when we'll connect all the ACF fields, then we have to fill the data accordingly. Okay, so let's do that. First of all, I'll create the first post. So click on add new. So I will create the first game and now publish. So we have our first post. Let's open this post. So it's looking so weird, but don't worry, we will make the custom post template. Okay, now we have to install the one plugin, which is SCF, which is the secure custom fields. Okay, now click on activate. Go to SCF, and so before setting these custom fields and groups, let's create the template for the custom post. So go to theme builder, and here is the single post. Now click on add new. We have to create something like this. So I will copy the everything from this home. Go to settings, here page layout to elementor full width. Okay, now we have to set the background image as the featured image. Okay, so here they under select this background image. Here you will see the classic. I have set it to slideshow, so select the classic and here set the featured image. Okay, and remove these things. We don't need anime over here. Here we need to set the as a post title. I will give the margin from bottom. Also from left, and we'll decrease the size. So I will keep 4 rem. Okay. Also we can add this text so that user will not be confused how to play this game. Okay, so let's add that text. Remove margin from bottom. Instead of adding the margin, we will simply change the padding, okay, of this container. So let's do that. I will change the margin from bottom, bottom padding. Okay, that's fine. So the text is click this will be static test. Okay, and every page you will see this section is dynamic. Okay, only this side of the this right hand side, or you can see the container will change according to page. Okay, but this will be remain same. Okay, now we have to create this section on the right hand side. So remove this, or you cannot, don't remove, just make it as a reward. So simply we have to use here the one widget, which is icon box. Remove the content spacing. Here we have to add these seconds, okay, which is 300 for now. I will set it to 300. And this will be clock, and here duration, which is in second. Change color to white. Now select this and add some padding like a 10, or make it 7. Save the background color like this, and also give the border radius. Okay, duplicate this, and this time we have to show points. So point will be 30. Let's consider. Okay, so below we have how to earn text. Copy this text, so here we have some text. Just copy this and paste here. Go to style and change its thickness to some normal, and so change the line height. Okay, that's great. Here save the icons to something like trophy, or you can also upload your custom icon. Okay, like something like coins. Okay, now we have to create the game details. Okay, add the container. Again add the container. Okay, change it to px. First let's show these things. Add container. Again second container. Select the second in the mid container, set row to horizontal. Okay, and duplicate it. Or instead of doing this, you can simply use the grid method. Let me first this create two columns here. Search for the grid and paste here, and here will be column 2 and row will be 3. Okay, in the first column we have game title, okay. Let's try this if it works or not. We have to create the manual containers. So copy and paste here. Okay, we can adjust the width from here. Here change the styling. Game title to you can set it to post title, okay, to make it dynamic. Just copy it, paste here, and also copy this, paste here, and this time we have category. Action. The problem is that we getting this huge margin from the bottom, okay, so that's doesn't look there, so I will simply make it 0 from here, okay. So actually this looks great. Copy, paste, and last we have popularity. These all details will be dynamically connected using the SEF, okay, so no doubt about that, no problem about that. Okay, that's it. Now we have to add the title, which is game details. Remove the padding from here. Now I will set the width to this container like 70. Okay, on the right this side we have our description, so I will select only post content. .4 is fine. Okay, so that's great. Let's add the padding from top. Like 50, and bottom as well 50. So finally we just finished our post template. At the bottom we are left with this showing the game screenshots. Copy it, I will duplicate this container. Here will be screenshots, game screenshots. Here we will use the grid. Row is 1 and the column is 3, and widget here will be image. For now I will set the manual Don't worry about this, we will connect these all the screenshot dynamically using ACF. Okay, as a example purpose we have to set up our template, that's why we need to show these in the front end. Okay, so here is our screenshots. Now click on publish. I will open that post. Make sure you have just set your conditions like posts and all. Okay, if we have the post category under it, so you can set it to in category. Okay, all the posts under that category will be applied, or all the posts that are under this category will be applied. Okay, so let's test that. Okay, it's working. Right now we are just one step away for completing the post, which is the ACF connections. Whatever you are seeing here, we have to connect those every fields using the ACF, and we have to fill out every form. So basically we are left with adding the stars here like this. So let's add that stars. First add the container. Select this, make it full width, or you can do here add the container. Or simply select the widget which is review. Keep it 5. Okay, don't do like this. So add the container. Inside the container add this widget and set this to full width and reduce the size. I will simply increase the stars width size. Okay, give some padding like 5 or 8. I will add the background color like this. Also the border radius to 5. Now select this main container and set align items to center. Now select this container and go to advanced. Under the margin, adjust the margin accordingly. Or if you don't want to do this, just make the position of this container to absolute. Here will be viewport width. Okay, keep this in the viewport width. Okay, this will be viewport height. So it will look like this. Also reduce the size. Okay, now that's perfect. Click on publish. Now check it. So we have our stars. Okay, now let's move on to the SCF. So this is the very crucial part. Okay, so let me tell you the exact method to do that. Okay, so if you don't have to make any mistake here. So here go to first we have to show the game details. Okay, under game details you will see the category and the popularity. Okay, so let's do that. Add field group, which is game details. So game details will always have the text. Okay, inside game details we have to show the category. In the category under that we have to show popularity. Okay, in the second one it is also the text. This is equal to post type and click on save changes. Okay, so next we have the stars. So stars is in the range. I will get inside the game details. So here it is in range. Okay, so I am selecting range because you will see here we have the writing scales. Okay, the writing is in number actually, so let's tell this to number. Here is the writing. Click on save. The next we have to show this is the dynamically, which is currently I am using the post content, so I need to connect this using SEO. So game title also dynamic. We have created the for the category, also create for the popularity. Now we have to create for these 3 images. Okay, so the second I will create the second field group. Which is game screenshots. So here will be image. We have to pass the image array. So here I will put screenshot 1. Next, image screenshot 2. Next, here select image screenshot 3. Okay, click on save changes. Okay, so we have finished the screenshots and other things. Right now you will see here we have duration. Okay, here we have 300 and here we have 30 points. So currently I had set the ACF in the previous website, so let me show you. This is the reward points and time duration. So let me open it. Okay, so always remember that if you are creating this website from by copying my content, so just make the field name as it is. Okay, don't change anything over here. Okay, otherwise you have to make changes in that particular plugin, which I am going to use in next. Okay, for the system, because it is actually connected with the user reward system. Okay, so If you change anything over here, like if you add something a or something, so the plugin will not work. Okay, so if you are creating by your own, then you have to understand that logic. Okay, then you can modify accordingly. Okay, so please be remember this thing. So I will simply use from here. Okay, reward points. Next I will create in this game details. Okay, I will not create another field group. So here will be game reward points. So it's a text, it's a number, sorry. Next we have time duration. This is also the number. This should not be changed. Okay, please write this exactly. Now click on save changes. After that we have the reward points. Okay, so we have added the reward points and time duration. So right now the plugin which will handle this user reward task will automatically fetch the durations from the 300 and will take the points from the 30. Okay, so it accordingly when the user spends sometimes on the game, these points will be added in his wallet automatically. Okay, so we almost done everything. Now I'm going to click on publish. Okay, now let's check it. So go to posts and let's connect those fields with these one by one. So first of all we will just fill out all the information from here inside these SEF fields. Okay, so that our place, otherwise the data will be empty, otherwise it will show the empty data. Okay, so we have category, action, popularity. I will keep the popularity some like this. I will keep it 4. Reward points will be 30. Time duration 300 seconds. Let me show you the post. Okay, okay, great. And let's upload the screenshots. We already uploaded. Let's do that again. Okay, that's it. Now click on publish or save. The next is we have to just connect those SEF fields. Okay, so first let's start from here. Duration, this is the expression. Okay, so we have to select the SEF field from there. Okay, let's refresh this page first. Select this and here we have duration, and here we have reward points, and this is the star ratings. So it will be a save field as we have set it as a number ratings, and we have category, here popularity, okay, they are reflecting the on the spot because we have edited every fields of this SCF. Okay, and these screenshots. Screenshot 1, screenshot 2, and screenshot 3. Okay, click on publish. Okay, that's it. Okay, our post template is ready. So now we have to add the game reward system in our website. Okay, for that I have already created that plugin, so simply we will install it. Okay, so I will show you by playing that game. Okay, so let's add the new plugin. This is the game reward system. Go to plugin installer, select the install plugins and activate this plugin. Okay, now the plugin is activated. Now let's test the post. Here you will see that some extra fields has been added: reward points, the game URL. Okay, right now we just left with the game URL. So okay, so we will add that add this here. Let's add that here. I will show you that URL. Here was the game URL. Okay, we are left with the one SCF field. So here is the game URL. Game will be URL and this will be the title or field name. Go to SCF. I will add inside the game address. Click on save changes. And the URL of the game is let me copy that game URL. I have scrapped this data from the API, so you will not get the links directly. This is the game URL. Okay, when we will add URL here, then it will be automatically reflected inside the game settings. Okay, these things are very important. Okay, now our post is ready. We'll test the game. Okay, and you will see here we'll get this play now button. Okay, inside this just below this description. Okay, so here we got play this game and earn 30 points in 5 minutes. So we have just put 300 duration, which is 300 seconds, which means 5 minutes, and we got 30 points. So when we click, a window will open and the timer will start. as soon as it ends, as soon as it gets end, we will reward it as a 30 points. Okay, so I will just skip this part. Okay, and the next I will add all the blog posts in a website, and then we'll start designing our homepage. Okay. Okay, so we almost done everything on the post. Okay, right now it's time to add the functionalities on this typography. So we'll install one more plugin. For that earnings. Okay, so go to plugins, upload the plugin, click on install, go to plugin installer, or directly go to install plugins. Okay, not this is not the plugin. Let me find. Click on activate. After activating this plugin, you will get the points manager. Let me show you the benefit of this points manager. If we have the number of users, okay, and you want to manipulate their points and the earnings, so you can do here. So right now I will give myself the 50 points, or you can say 100 points. Okay, click on update. Now I will show this on the header. Here. Okay, so I will edit the header. We have to add the shortcut. The shortcut is rewarded points. Okay, we have 100 points. Now when you will play the game, spend the time, and every point you will get, that will be updated here inside your wallet. Okay, so every system is functioning well. You can try it your own. Okay, here go to my website, which is regular.co.in, and you will test this website from here. I have pasted, I have listed this, and you can download the files, you can upload on your server. Okay, and also you can play from here. Okay, okay, so we have implemented almost all the necessary things. Okay, and right now we are ready to design our homepage. Okay, after that we will step by step add more features in our website. Okay, so let's design this homepage. Go to dashboard. Okay, so let me show you the homepage that we have designed. So we have this type of homepage. Okay, we have different layouts, designs. Okay, sliders, as you can see here. So it's not tough, it's very easy. Just follow me. Okay, so first of all you will need some post inside your WordPress, in your WordPress website. Okay, like this I have added 21 posts. Okay, so let's design the homepage. First visit the homepage. I will open it with Elementor. Okay, so first, okay, this is Elementor full width. I will add a container, give it a padding from top and bottom, like 40 and 40. Okay, again add a container, select this main container and select this as a percentage. So we have to put the same percentage that we have set for this container, which is 95%. Select this, set it to 95. Okay, we will first create this slider. So I will copy this title, this or simply I will just copy this title and paste here. I will put it at the top here we will write featured games. Okay, now here we have to add the loop grid here, or you can not the loop grid, we have to add the loop carousel at our widget is carousel. Okay, here we have to create a template for the type of posts. Click on this create template, click on save. Okay, now we are in the editor mode. So first we have to show the featured image. Okay, so let's show it. I will put a widget which is featured image. Okay, and change resolutions to 100 and style set the border radius. So I set it to 10. Okay, then we have these points and then we have title. Okay, so to design that I will add a container, or we have one widget which is icon box. So this will fulfill our requirement. Remove this, go to style, and here I set icon position to left. Okay, also we will remove the icon content spacing. Here inside the icon set the size, so I will keep 24px, and here the content. I will change the color to white first, and also the weight which is 60, and I will change it to rem. Okay, and set it to 1 and increase from that. Okay, I will keep it 1.5 and make the vertical element to center. So here we will show the points. Okay, now let's change the icon which is trophy. Let's change the color as well. Okay, now let's add the title. So here we have post title, just place it down. Before that I will shift this toward the bottom of the image like this. Okay, now sets the title. This is the post title. Let's design this. First of all, go to the typography. I will set it to rem, which will be 2, and make it medium. Okay, so here we will show the points. Let's say we will add 50. Okay, that's it. So our template is ready. Now click on save and back. Okay, so here we have to just modify this navigation arrows. Okay, so first of all let's set the background and the slides. So I will show here I am showing 1 2 3 4 5 6 slides. Okay, so let's show the 6 slides. Now we have one issue here. So you can see this text size, it is a bit large. Okay, so when we switch to the smaller screens, you will see it collapses or it wraps just below. Okay, and but we don't want this like this. Okay, so we will just, so we don't want to show like this, so we will simply edit this template. Okay, I will make the font size to, I'll reduce the font size. Okay, so let's reduce it. I will keep it 1.7. okay, now that's great. Now click on save and back. We'll check it once. So now it's looking perfect. Okay, also we have to just give a padding, or not padding, we have to give the background color to this container. Okay, so go to style, here will be a bg color, or not bg color. So I will add this as a global color. Okay, let's say 2. I already added, so I had already added that color, so it was 1. Add some padding, and give the border radius, which is 15. Okay, now it looks good. So we have to modify this navigation button, and also we have to add the border at the left hand side. Okay, to add that border, select this container, under the border section, here set the border to solid and just uncheck these link values. Okay, and here we have to add the left, which is 2, and color will be this. Okay, now let's modify these navigation buttons. Select this slider, go to the navigation, and here you will see the icons. Okay, first we will change the icon, so select this icon library, and from here just set this icon. Okay, instead. Now just change the position. We will just give the more padding from left and right. Here I will set to 40, and from right as well as 40. Okay, select this slider, go to navigation, and here instead of px, set the viewport width. Okay, -3. Again, for the next arrow, set this arrow. Okay, and set it to viewport width. Here is also 3, -3. Okay, it's going cutting this border, so let's reduce it, -2. This is also -2. Okay, and we have also the navigation pagination, sorry. Okay, so it's dots. Just go to styles and go to navigation. We have to add the hover effect. Okay, so background type be color, and give the background to this color. Okay, sorry, not the background color, we have to simply give this color. Okay, that's it. And this pagination, I will not change anything from the page. Okay, so click on publish. Now let's take the preview. So this navigation is actually shifted to the left hand side, so let's fix this. Or simply I will keep it none. Okay, let's try it again. Here only the problem with this navigation button. Okay, so for now I will set it to fraction. Okay, okay, that's good. The next section we have to create is this multiple category post selector. Okay, this is also the part of the elementor widget. Okay, so let's do that. I will simply duplicate this section. Okay, so first remove this, again add the container. I will just simply drag this inside this container and here write browse games. So here we have two columns, one for this text or title and second for these tabs. Okay, so select this. I will add a container inside it. Select this container and make it row horizontal direction. Okay, and this will be I will reduce its width. Okay, so that this browse game title will have the enough space to expand it. Okay, it's showing right now in the wrap format. So if you are struggling with it, you can just copy this and delete it, make it 100%. I will simply duplicate this. Okay, it will fit exactly as we want. Remove padding from it, make it 0. Okay, now just reduce the length of this column. Okay, now search for posts. Not the post, search for taxonomy filter. This is a taxonomy filter. Okay, so right now we have to create the template or the loop grid. Okay, before adding inside this taxonomy widget. Okay, so for that we have to, I will just simply delete this for now. Search for grid. Here is the loop grid. Okay, so search, we have to create a grid loop. Create a template and save. Okay, so let's create first the group widget, grid widget. Okay, grid template. So here we have the same template as we done with this above. Okay, so I will do one thing, I will just copy paste. So edit this with elementor. Here edit the template, and I will simply copy from here and paste here. Similarly this, and title as well. Okay, shift this to upward. Okay, that's it. Now click on save and back. So we have the grid template. Okay, now just delete this grid template or just copy it, and now delete. Now search for the taxonomy filter. So after adding this widget, now click on this widget. Okay, so we have created the our loop grid. Okay, now in this widget, select this widget and search for loop grid. Okay, and here we have to select the taxonomy as a categories. So every category that we have assigned to our post will be show here like this. Okay, now we have to just change the column items. So here we have 3, 6, 7 columns. Okay, so set the 7 columns to this widget. We have 7 columns. Okay, and we have to show items per page. So inside the all I will select 21. Okay, we total have 21 posts. You can set according to your post types. Okay, post counts. Now here you will see we have the margins on both sides. Okay, so because we have added the another container, and inside we have shown this grid. Okay, so we have to add the or just duplicate this container. Okay, and just remove these things, also this, and now shift this widget inside this container and delete it. Okay, here we have 95% and it is boxed. And let's reduce some gaps in between these post thumbnails. Select this, and here okay, go to styles. Here inside the go, I will just remove every gaps in between the post. Okay, except this between rows. So okay, that's it. So I just forget to add the featured image on these games, this one, and this one. Okay, so I will add it later. So okay, so we just added our multi-category widget. Okay, loop grid widget. Now we have to design these tabs according which will look like this. Okay, so let's do that. Click on publish so that we will not lose any changes here. Select this. Now here I will shift this to right. Okay, this will be horizontal. Now go to style, and first we have to show every color to white. Also the active color must be white for now. Okay, now here we have to set the background type. Select the active background color will be like this, and the rest don't have any BG color or background color. So here inside the active color, set the background color to like this. Border radius to make it 100. Okay, also the hover color. Okay, now we have to add the border. So here border type to solid, make it to 2. Also change color to white. Okay, and here I will change the hover settings. So inside the hover settings, hover type will be solid, will be the same, and color will be this main color. Okay, and also background color we have to shift to the main color, and text color will be white, so that we will have the front end like this. Okay, also you can add the paddings in these tabs. Okay, so right now currently we don't need any padding. I will simply remove the padding from in this container. Also from here, and select this container. We have to set elements to center, items to center. Okay, that's it. Click on publish and refresh this page, and this is the way that we can implement the taxonomy filter. Okay, this is the taxonomy filter widget. So in this way you can create the loop grid with taxonomy filter. Okay, so now we will move to the next section, which is this section. Okay, so let's design it. Again duplicate this, remove this widget. Okay, so here we need two columns. So for this main container I am going to set the direction to horizontal, so duplicate it. Okay, now here we have to create one more template, which is this type of template. Okay, which will have the image on the left hand side, the title, and this play now button. Also you can set the points like this here. Okay, in this case I haven't set anything, so let's design this template. Publish this and search for we will create this separately. So go to dashboard, and from there under this template go to save templates and click on add new template. So here I will create here loop item. Okay, so I will set it name to horizontal post. Create. Okay, to design this type of post here, so first add the container. Okay, give some padding, which is 10, and again set it direction to horizontal. Again add the container. Now duplicate it. So we need two columns. In the first we have image, on the right hand side we have some details. Okay, now select this main container and we have to remove the gaps in this way. Here reduce the size of this first container. Let's add some background color like this. Also add the border, which is 8. Okay, like this. So we have first featured image. Here is the featured image, just drag and drop. I will simply remove the padding from here. Okay, also give the border radius to 10 to this image, or you can say it exactly same with this container. Okay, in the second we have I will just copy the every design style from here, so I will edit it. So this is the title. Okay, this time I will show the points. Okay, just copy this and paste here, and additionally we have to add the button. Search for button. Okay, so link, so that's it's going to be a dynamic link, so I will set this dynamic tag to post URL. Okay, here I will set it to play. Now let's style this button. Set border radius to 100. Also remove this padding. Top will be 5, or you can set 10. Bottom will be 10. And we need this button long like this. I will reduce the margin padding from top to bottom. Okay, select this container and I will align items to center. Select this main container. Okay, and here align items to center. I will set this padding from left and from top to 5 and bottom to 5. Okay, also add the hover effect on this button. First let's change the color. Now go to hover and inside the hover animation, so I will give it like this. Okay, now also let me tell you the responsiveness, how to set its responsiveness. Just shift to the tablet and change it accordingly. Okay, so inside this mobile you will see here it's one after the other. Okay, it is actually in this stack, so we don't need this. We do the exact layout like this in the horizontal manner. So here I will just set to 100 and reduce like 30. Okay, and do the same with this. Now select this widget and set icon position to left, and also remove I will first shift this button to top like this, and also you remove the bottom margin from here. I will increase the sizes to 40. Okay, and reduce the size of the second container. Okay, now we have this widget or layout. Okay, so after that click on publish. Now we can use this layout or the template throughout the website. Okay, using the loop grid widget. So here I will search for loop grid. First let's add the container here, or go back. So here we have to add the title, and we have the section like this. We don't have title. Okay, search for loop and here grid. Now from here horizontal, so search for horizontal. Here is the horizontal post, so click on it and we will have the grid like this. Okay, So here I will show only one column. Now it's perfect. And show only 4. Okay, click on here I will reduce the size of the column. So because of this additional thing, we are not we are not able to set this layout properly. Okay, so I will remove this point section here from here. Or you can adjust this anywhere on this image as well. Okay, for now I'm going to delete this. Click on save and go back. Okay, now it's perfect. Okay, we will just reduce the gap between the row or rows. Okay, I will keep very negligible gap. Save this container and reduce the size. Okay, great. Set it to 30. Try to. So I will set the column width to 30%. Okay, now let's so inside this container we have to show the background image first. So go to style, save this background type. Here select the background, set the maximum or minimum height, which is VH, set to VH and set it to 60%. Okay, or 65. Give the border radius, which is 15. We have to add the overlay effect like this gradient, and we have to add button some content. To add the overlay, select the background overlay, and this time I will use gradient, color to black. You can set pure black, and from the top set its opacity to 0 and increase the opacity. Okay, add the button. So I'll simply copy this button here. Select this container. We have to ship all the things just bottom at the container. So here justify content to here end. Okay, I will add some padding like 30. Again we have the title, so I will simply copy title from here, paste. I will reduce the size, go to typography and reduce the size, also the line height, and copy this text reduce the text size a little bit, like 4. Okay, and we have this text, so I will copy the text from the above and paste here. Copy the content. Okay, so we just finished our next layout. Now we'll move to the next layout, okay, which is reward and point system. So one more time, we have to add some padding from the bottom. I will make it 60. Okay, that's great. Now let's design our next section. Alright, let's design the another section. Okay, this rewards and points system. So here, to save the time, I will simply upload this template. Okay, this template, and this template. Okay, so I will simply upload the templates. So if you want to design this, you can simply download it from my site. Okay, so we will have so much time in our hand, so I can explain you designing the other pages. Okay, so here I have directly uploaded as a template, as you can see, reward system. This is the counter, the testimonial slider, subscribe form, and some frequently asked questions. Okay, so there is no logic or technical need to be technical to design those things, so I decided to upload them directly. Okay, click on publish. We'll review our home page. Okay, so there are some style glitches here, so I will fix it. Okay, that could be the cache issue. Okay, so it will solve, okay, after some time. So I will move this, so it may get solved automatically after some time. Let's give it a time. Okay, meanwhile we will design our next page. So next page will be our game library. Okay, so let's design this. So inside the game library, we have to simply show a sidebar where we have I have listed the categories. Okay, and here all the archive posts. Okay, so that's easy. Now I will copy this section. Okay, so copy this section as it is and paste here. Okay, so here you can see here only the title of the page is different, and here the text is different. So I will copy it. And remove these buttons, and you can set it to dynamic, so I will write it game library. Okay, now we have to create two columns. The first one for this sidebar, and the second for this game. Okay, so I will simply copy this, or you can duplicate it. Okay, remove this column, and also remove this, remove the this slide, okay, from the background, okay. I will simply give the padding from the top. With I will give it the margin, okay, like 60. Remove this icon and instead I will show the menu, which is category menu. I will change the style to default. Change it to Roboto. Also the size. Here also the letter spacing 1. Okay, and give the heading as a category. I will add some margin from the left so that it will align with these menu items. Okay, now it looks perfect. Delete this. Okay, so here we have to add the archive, or simply search for the posts. Okay, so I will create the post. Okay, here you can, if you select, I can directly use here the archive. I have to show 6 columns. And post per page will be 21. Make it full. Remove data and comments. Also read more, excerpt. And here style, give the border with, not the border radius. I think it's for the content or the box we have to add on the image. So I will add at 8. And under this content, let's style this title. Change it to rem, which is 2. And now I will make it 1.4. Set font weight to 500. Okay, now it looks perfect. Again, enable here from the pagination. You can set the infinite scroll. Okay, so a button will appear. Okay, here let me set the to 14. pagination I will add a button, okay, instead of load on click button. So we will have this type of load or more button. Okay, now I will style this button. So go to style, under pagination, position will be at the center, and the background color will change to B, which is the main color, and change border radius to 100 px. Okay, here I will set to A. So when I will click it, the post will show. Okay, now here we have to set the query. So here under this query, here posts, so I will select current query. Okay, now you will see that we have no post here. Okay, so we have one solution to overcome this problem. So here I will keep the post. Okay, so we have to create one more page with the archive page. Okay, as an archive page, sorry. So we have to create one more page for the archive. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. So go to dashboard, and here under this template, under theme builder, here is the archive. Okay, click on it and create add new. Just close this. Now here copy everything from this page. So copy, paste, and similarly copy this and paste here. Now set this to current post query. Okay, which is current query. Click on publish, and this could be for the all archives, or you can set to categories or post archive. Okay, so I will set it to categories. Okay, here our page is ready. Now click on publish, and let's check this page. Home, this is game library. Okay, now I will select the action, adventure. Okay, so we have to make a styling here. We have set the content, adjustable content to it, so that's why the all posts are showing at the bottom. So set it to none or keep it as it is default. Okay, click on publish. Okay, now it's looking perfect. Okay, so in this way you can create the game library page. Okay, or you can just create the load mode. That's it. Okay, now we have to create the next page, which is profile page. Okay, so inside the profile we have to show only a few things, like this edit profile and this social links. Okay, so basically these things are designed using the plugin, so we have to only apply a plugin here. Okay, and using the shortcut we can fetch anywhere. Okay, and then I will show you how to add the profile picture, like here. Okay, so when you will upload the photo from here, it will appear here. Okay, or if you want to show the profile like here on this header, okay, just beside to the username, you can do that as well. So let's create this profile page. Click on edit and edit with elementor. Similarly we have to copy everything from this page over here. Okay, here only will be change. So here I have shown the welcome and the username. Okay, this thing is the dynamic. So here I will simply click on this dynamic tag, and I will select the user info and select username. Okay, so it will automatically show the username, and here I will also set the welcome messages before the username. So before I will add welcome, give a comma. Okay, so here you will see the welcome and your username. Okay, and here I will copy this text, paste here. Okay, click on publish. Okay, so now let me show you how to add the plugin, this social plugin. Okay, here you will see user profile editor as a shortcut, and here also social links form. Okay, so we have to first enable those plugins and then we will use these shortcuts. Okay, go to plugins, click on add new. Also you can modify the plugins according to your need. Social links. Okay, again I will use another. Now go to plugin editor, go to installed plugins, and there we have to activate these plugins: front-end social link editor and the user profile editor. Okay, click on activate. Okay, that's it. Now let's add these shortcuts. First let's check if it work or not. So I will give margin to 60 from top. Also make it percent, 90% for 95%. Okay, add a container, and here set direction to row horizontal to make the two columns, so duplicate it. Okay, alright, we have to, okay, we don't need this container wider as compared to other pages. I will make it 70. Okay, now search for shortcut and paste here. I told you it's customizable, so you can change the button color if it doesn't work here. Okay, so let's add the second widget, which is social, edit your social links. Okay, I will do one thing here. Duplicate it. Okay, and paste. That's it. So here you have to take care about it from the backend. Okay, I will show you how to edit the plugins. Because I have already set everything according to the design, you can see here. This is my design, but it's not reflecting here, so this may be some cache issue or other conflicts. Okay, So no problem about it. You can directly download my this template or the website directly from the site. Okay, so you will understand better, or simply you can modify or edit the any part of this plugin from the backend from the cPanel. Okay, so this was the social page. Okay, this was our profile page. Now I'll publish it. Just close it. Now I will design another page, which is wallet. Let me test our profile page. So it's looking perfect here. Okay, now go to the wallet. So we have to create this wallet page. So click on edit page, click on edit with elementor. Okay, so now let's create this wallet page. So here I have added this section as it is. I removed these top earners, and I have added this balance title. Okay, we have to show balance just below it, and a button. So I will simply add the heading, paste here. For now I will keep it as a $20. Okay, let's style this text, change it to rem, make it 2, and increase its size a little bit. Okay, so you can make it bold, change its color to white, also reduce the margin from type from top. Okay, that's it. We have button just below it, so I will go to home, copy any button from here, just paste here. So here I will write as a withdraw. Okay, so basically we have to connect a pop-up. So recently I have just designed this pop-up using the pop-up, okay, from the builder. So it's very easy to design and build. Now I will connect this pop-up with our button here. So to do that, just select this link and this dynamic tags, select pop-up and search for the pop-up that you want to show. Action must be open pop-up. So here I will type withdraw forms, withdraw request pop-up. Okay, that's it. Next we have to show the reward progress like this. Progress bar will be there, so these threshold points, and here will be the dynamic earnings. Okay, so here we have to add the shortcut and the same shortcut here. Okay, so here we have shortcut which is user earnings. Go to wallet. Here under dynamic tags I will use shortcut, paste here. Currently it's showing 0. Okay, now again we have to go to advanced. Just below it we have to show the dollar. Okay, again remove the margin from bottom. I will show you which plugin will use for this logic or feature. Okay, similarly will be go copy and paste here. Okay, and here we have to show the progress bar. So the shortcut for this progress bar is threshold progress bar. Okay, search for the shortcut. So we got our progress bar. Okay, and here is the earning. Also we have to add a text like this. So I will copy the text from here and paste here. Change some styling. Also let's change the color to white. Now copy this content. Okay, so here you will see the threshold points are 100,000 points, and here we have written $5 for 500 points. Either you can simply change the text from here, or if you want to increase or decrease the threshold points, then you can easily do from the backend of the cPanel, okay, inside the plugin file. So you can modify these things. Okay, I will change it to 1000 points. Click on publish. So the plugin used for these features are these two: game reward, this game reward points to money converter, and this game reward progress bar. Okay, so we have to activate these plugins to activate those features. Okay, now we are done with this wallet page. Okay, again here I have to show you one thing. Here points and earning manager. From here you will see a table where on this column we have user names, just beside it their total points and their earnings. Okay, so we have to show this table inside the admin, so we can easily manage our users from the backend. Okay, so the user who got the points, to deduct their points and to update their points. So for these tasks we need a table or the backend or the admin. Okay, so I have updated the points and earning manager to add this feature. Okay, so you can easily update the points or the earnings. Okay, individually select the users from here and then change the points or earnings. Okay, if your threshold is 1000 points, if someone earns the 1000 points, then add the earnings to $5 and just reset their points to 0. Okay, in that manner you can manage from here. Okay, so this is the I have added this plugin, but this is not updated, so I will update it and will show you. Okay, I will disconnect this plugin first. This user points manager, deactivate and delete it. Okay, I will add the fresh plugin. Choose the file, click on activate. So we got this points and earnings manager. Okay, so it's showing the current user which has the total points 100 and the earnings are 0. Okay, so in this manner you can manage your users from the backend. Here's the pop-up. And this is the blog section which you can do by your own. Okay, now okay, we are almost done with our website. Now here go to profile. We have left one thing here. We have to upload our profile picture and show here. Okay, so I will simply add this page. Here are the shortcut is show profile picture. Okay, search for the shortcut widget. If I would hope I will have to activate the corresponding plugin or not. Let's check it. Okay, so currently we haven't installed the plugin related to this. Okay, so I will install it. So the plugin is user profile picture. Okay, click on add new plugin, upload. Okay, we have installed it already. Click on publish. Okay, let's check the preview. Okay, here we see that no profile picture is uploaded. Now let's upload the profile picture. Okay, click on update. Okay, first name, that's it. Okay, right now it's showing your profile has been updated successfully. Now click on refresh it. As you can see, our profile picture is showing here. Okay, and here as well. So everything is working fine. I hope you understand the logic behind this website. Okay, and I already show you the preview of the gameplay at this beginning of the video, so you can watch there. Okay, so everything is now working fine. So right now I will finish this tutorial here, and I hope you understand the concept and the logic that I used to build this kind of website. Okay, I have explained you everything from front end to back end, how to design and build the logics using the plugins. Okay, so if you have any queries or any confusion related in this website, then you can ask, you can reach to me, okay, via WhatsApp or Instagram. Okay, so I will definitely solve your queries. So thanks for watching this video till here, and in the next video I will be back with another interesting tutorial. Okay, for now, goodbye, take care.